Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Forte brake light. First, you'll need a few simple tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a replacement bulb, which is typically a 1157 or 315/7 bulb. Always make sure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin. Then, open your trunk to get ready to access the taillight assembly from the inside. Now, let's get to the bulb. Inside the trunk, you'll see the back of the taillight assembly. There are usually 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws that hold it in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once they are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the car's body. It should come out with a little wiggle. With the taillight assembly free, you can now access the bulb sockets. Identify the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about a quarter turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. The old bulb simply pulls straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and push it firmly into the socket until it clicks into place. Now, let's put everything back together. Insert the bulb socket back into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the taillight assembly with the mounting holes on your Kia Forte and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining nuts or screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.